Welcome back to Creative Pujjal YouTube channel. Today I am going to repair this wireless mouse and keyboard. Previously also I have done repairing the mouse and keyboard, so this time I am going to make a video. It will be easy and helpful for you guys also. First you need one multimeter, nothing else, just one multimeter, just one screw. Turn on the multimeter to beeper section. Okay, beeper section. Check the capacitor guys first. All capacitor. If it's beep guys, then it's damaged. First you need to check this on the modem board. Put 1 point, negative, positive, no problem. So difficult, I'll put down and do it. You guys can see it just show the number and gone. That means it's work. See, this work. Now check this capacitor. See where it points back side. Okay. This one. Look, just show the number and gone. That means it's work. Now check this guys. See, just show the number. Look, it just show the number and gone. This also work. Now check this. Now check this capacitor. Now check this capacitor. 1 point here and 1 point here. Okay. This means it beep. The capacitor did not work. Replace the capacitor. Before replacing the capacitor, I want to show you guys how this work. What is the damage? I'll connect this dongle to computer. Okay, now it's turned on. Yes, sensor is blinking. It just move, like you can see in my computer. Always like this guys. The mouse automatically move up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Now you guys can change this capacitor. Guys, this is damaged capacitor. This is damaged capacitor. You cannot change it. I'll change it and come back, guys. It will be a long video if I change here. If this capacitor is damaged, then change that. If this damaged, then change that. Sorry. Check by the multimeter, guys. Always in the beep section. Okay, now I'll change it and come back. Okay, guys, I just changed it. I just change this capacitor. Now let's check it. This one is damaged, so I change it. Okay, now I'll connect the dongle. Now let's check it will work or not. Like you guys can see, just working fine. Like it was moving before, it's not moving now, guys. Just you can see, just work. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much. If you find this video supportive, please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.